Hi, Henk Akkermans, Supply Network Dynamics Chapter 9, Quality Cascade, clip number 6, varying the quantity and the quality of incoming orders. To illustrate the importance of good quality in the order flow, we look at what an increase of 20% of the quantity of new orders does with a decrease of 20% of the quality of new orders. So in order to do so, we need to do a number of changes here. First of all, to make a switch fixed orders up here, we have to make this server order percentage increase at 0, and then we get a very boring performance just like this. So very steady inflow of incoming order and new service quality. Now let's say if we have 20% up here, you see that we have 4,000 new sales orders. Suppose that we have a sudden increase of 20% of those. What happens then? Okay, there we have that increase. Shortly after, you see a steadily increase of the to steady use rate. What does that do? Well, in provisioning, it leads to an increase in workload and hence a decrease in quality and therefore an increase in provisioning rework and in lead times, and so also a significant increase in the FTE. The FTEs go from 46 up here to 66 up there. So that's an increase of 40% and not of 20%. So that's already an amplification. Further downstream, this gets even more amplified. Again, the gradual inflow, the normal inflow, the customer field install WIP increases, but certainly also the tech field install increases from 915 here up to almost 4,000 here. So there's almost 4 times as much, and as a result, the technician workload goes from 43 here to 80, so that more than doubles. So there even further increase. Then go to calls. Well, the same story, but even further amplified again. An increase from the calls in rework, which leads to a drop up here, etc. So that's the story, and here you've got your complaints. So that's a story, a regrettable story, but an understandable story when you have far more increase in orders. But what if you have a big increase in quality?